Well, I've got some bad news. The Porsche does not want to start. It's not a battery this time, I don't think, because when I do, when the battery was dead, it would just kind of click and click and click. Now it tries to start, but it doesn't. So, might be a fuel pump. Washed it, put it in the garage, and it wouldn't start. So I pushed it out of the garage so I can jump with the Jag, and I'll show what happens. It's trying to start. 3, 2, 1, shoot. Yeah, so as you can see, it's not starting. This is a problem because it's blocking my Jaguar now. Oh, it's hot. Oh, the Porsche engine. So I'm gonna check the relays. It might be bad. Spray some starting fluid on it, and we're gonna try again. Because it is broken right now. It's a shame because this is such a good looking car. Except for this side. This side's kind of messed up. Might have gone in there, but I don't think so. So, the 928 is broken again. They usually break when I tell people I'm going to sell them. So, unusual. Anyway, that's it for me. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.